Let's get back to the story which was flashing at the bottom of the screen, which is flashing at the bottom of the screen. The government is going to oppose Hindustan Zinc's buyout of Vedanta's global zinc asset. Sapna is joining in. She's getting us this exclusive story. Sapna, thanks for that. Afternoon. Two things. One, why are they opposing this? And two, can they oppose it with their holding in the company? Go on.
Well, what we're given to understand very clearly from government sources is that I think one round of objections already happened, at the board level itself when this decision was taken by the independent directors of the Vedanta board, and of course the government directors here at our end, at North Block's end, had made this opposition. Despite the objection that was raised, the exchange filing did happen, which indicated that almost $3 billion worth of funds will flow out from HZL for the buyout of these international zinc assets of Vedanta, which are located, I think, in Namibia and maybe South Africa, some of those countries. So despite that, this has happened, and now we are given to understand that in the AGM, the government will be very, very definite and very clear that this cannot actually go through. Also, maybe in AGMs, it's a minority shareholders which have an upper hand, and so to speak, I think this proposal is something that government will not only just oppose tooth and nail, but they will make sure that it doesn't go through. That's a clear sense that we have been given. We have also been indicated that I think on two accounts there have been violations. One, of course, the rights of minority shareholders, like 29.5% is what GOI holds in HZL. And despite the objections raised, the exchange filing happened. And, as a fallout also, probably it's also a contravention of the corporate governance norms. So on both these accounts, as of now, the government's view is extremely clear. Now, in all of this, what really happens is that sometime before March end, the government had planned, for a residual stake sale in HZL out of the 29.5% odd that they hold. There was a definite plan for an OFS, maybe 5%, maybe 8%, maybe 10%, that had not been announced. But now with this new development, I think that is going to be on hold till there is clarity on this front. You see, almost $3 billion are flowing out from HZL. That's a big deal. Of course, that's a separate parallel corporate development, but it will have an impact on the government's plans to, sell for this stake in HZL, and that's why also this issue becomes important.
Okay, thank you very much for that. It's a big negative for Vedanta, which was hoping that the $3 billion of cash will come through, which will help the company delever. I'm given to understand that I think Vedanta has closed about $2 billion of repayments in Q1 of FY24, and had the money from HZL come through, it would have helped them delever quite quickly.
Even the other thing Sapna said is that they had sort of presented objections, but despite that, Vedanta went ahead and sort of announced that they're going to do it. Yeah. And then Sapna also alluded to sort of breach of corporate governance norms, etc. So this could actually, I mean, obviously don't want to speculate, but this is the government of India we're talking about, and definitely not good news for Vedanta and what they were planning to do here. Go on.
Okay, let's get in Deepak Shenoy of Capital Mind to get in some comments on this.